Good morning, everyone. Let's continue learning Kachin Jinghpaw Language in English. We are going to learn simple present tense and signal words in this lesson. This is a continued lesson of lesson 14 from my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for joining with me. I am Miss Bokradalatsklau, freelance language teacher. Let's do some repetition. You will see the infinitive verb to have in this slide. The infinitive verb to have in Kachin Jinghpaw Lu Ai. Before we do some exercise for repetition, just keep in your mind that the words in same color from two different sentences are the same meaning. Let's start the exercise. Question: do you have parents? Kasan nangnugoa lu ai e. Question: do you have parents? Kasan nangnugoa lu ai e. Answer: affirmative form. I have parents. Matai ngai gnugoa lu ai. I have parents. Ngai gnugoa lu ai. Answer: negative form. I do not have parents. Matai ngai gnugoa lu ai. I do not have parents. Ngai gnugoa lu ai. Let's practice again how this infinitive verb to have form for the person John in present simple tense. To have lu ai. Question: does John have money? Kasan John kumpro lu ai e. Does John have money? John kumpro lu ai e. Answer: affirmative form. John has money. John has US dollar. Matai John kumpro lu ai. She dollar kumpro lu ai. John has money. He has US dollar. John kumpro lu ai. She dollar kumpro lu ai. Answer: negative form. He does not have euro currency. Matai she euro kumpro lu ai. He does not have a euro currency. She euro kumpro lu ai. From here, we are going to learn the infinitive verb to be in present simple tense. The infinitive verb to be in simple present tense are am, is, are. In Kachin Jinghpaw, da, go. The sentence ending with re I. Okay, let's practice with sentences. Question: interrogative form. Are you a mother? Kasan nango gnu langai re I. Question: are you a mother? Kasan nango gnu langai re I. Answer: affirmative form. Yes, I am a mother. Matai re I ngai go gnu langai re. Yes, I am a mother. Re I ngai go gnu langai re. Answer: negative form. No, I'm not a mother. Matai nre I ngai go gnu langai nre. No, I'm not a mother. Nre I ngai go gnu langai nre. In English, you have to use verb to be is for the person John in simple present tense. Kachin Jinghpaw, it is the same. You don't need to change anything. Let's practice. Question: is John a father? Kasan John go gwat ngai re e. Question: Is John a father? Ka san John go gwat ngai re e. Answer: Yes, John is a father. Mathai: Re I John go gwat ngai re. Yes, John is a father. Re I John go gwat ngai re. Answer: Negative form. No, he is not a father. Mathai: Nre I she go gwat ngai nre. No, he is not a father. Nre I she go gwat ngai nre. You have to use verb to be are for the person you plural in English simple present tense. In Kachin Jinghpaw, you don't need to change anything. Let's practice. Question: Are you Mary's parents? Kasan Nantego Maria Gnuguani re e. Question: Are you parents of Mary? Kasan Nantego Maria Gnuguani re e. Let's practice the answer. Affirmative form. Yes, we are her parents. Mathai: Re I Antego she gnuguani re. Yes, we are her parents. Re I Antego she gnuguani re. Let's practice answer negative form. No, we are not Mary's parents. Mathai: Nre I Antego Maria gnuguani nre. No, we are not Mary's parents. Nre I Antego Maria gnuguani nre. We are going to learn signal words which indicate the simple present tense from this slide. Signal words masat kumla gakum ni in Kachin Jinghpaw. Let me repeat again. Signal words masat kumla gakum ni. Let's learn those signal words. Always, gloi mung, aten tup, man. Always, gloi mung, aten tup, man. Normally, ayana. Normally, ayana. Usually, tut glo nga ai. Usually, tut glo nga ai. Often, lo lang, loi kring, kring. Often, lo lang, loi kring, kring. Here, the infinitive verb is to discuss. In Kachin Jinghpaw, bongban I or jkrup la I. Let me repeat again. To discuss bongban I or jkrup la I will use bongban I for the sentence. And in this sentence, we are going to use the signal words always. Okay, let's practice. We always discuss in the meeting. Ante zupong ta man bongban I. Let me repeat again. We always discuss in the meeting. Ante zupong ta man bongban I. Here you see the infinitive verb is to go. In Kachin Jinghpaw, sa I. Let me repeat again. To go, sa I. In the sentence, we are going to use the signal word often. He often goes on vacation. She ban sa khom lam kring sa I. Let me repeat again. He often goes on vacation. She ban sa khom lam kring sa I. Let's learn more signal words. Signal words in Kachin Jinghpaw masat kumla gakum ni. Sometimes gelang lang, gelang numrang. Sometimes gelang lang, gelang numrang. Seldom, gelang midang. Seldom, gelang midang. Never, guloy mung nriai. Never, guloy mung nriai. Okay, let's do some exercise. The infinitive verb to clean in Kachin Jinghpaw san seng kra glo I. To clean san seng kra glo I. We are going to use the signal words never in this sentence. They never clean this room. Shante ndai gok phe gloi mung san seng kra glo I. They never clean this room. Shante ndai gok phe gloi mung san seng kra glo I. Let's learn more signal words. Signal words masat kumla ga kum ni. Every day, shinishgu. Every week, pat shgu. Every year, shining shgu. Every season, tu kra do shgu. Let me repeat all of them again. Every day, shinishgu. Every week, pat shgu. Every year, shining shgu. Every season, tu kra do shgu. Okay, let's do exercise with the infinitive verb to clean. To clean, san sang kra glo I. We will use the signal words every day in this sentence. She cleans the kitchen every day. She shat gok phe shinishgu san sang kra glo I. I will repeat again. She cleans the kitchen every day. She shat gok phe shinishgu san sang kra glo I. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. I like to thank everyone for your subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channels. If you have some question, comment, or suggestions, drop the lines here. See you next time. Pang det by Krumga. Thank you very much. Right, Jeju Basai.